hang loose.
If you want to spiral bleach it.
I want to spiral bleach it.
Okay.
So you put a rubber
So you
band.
lay it down.
Lay it down.
And then you grab the center of it and you twist it.
Okay.
Okay? So you're going to twist it up.
Twist it up.
Twist it up. And then you're going to
Is that
rubber
good?
band.
Mom, I need some help.
I can help you. Okay, so you get it all twisted up, right?
Mom, will you do mine?
That one's a little tiny. And then
Will you do mine, please?
Yes, and it doesn't have to be perfect, you know.
Right.
So, a long time ago, when a spider was in our house, it was camouflage, but it was running through our house, and we whacked it, and then a bunch of babies jumped off its back.
Yeah, it was,
What?
it like multiplied. Yeah, it was crazy.
Is this
I'm gonna do two spirals on the small one. See if I can
Oh,
spiral.
that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay. Trin, how's yours coming along? Good? Good job, Jenny.
Mom, will you clap?
Guess how many I'm getting?
Yes,
That's
he's the one that wanted
surprising.
to jump.
Just
Look at this.
Okay, should we try like a couple different ways too? They're bleaching. They're getting bleached out. Ooh, cool. Look. Okay, do you want to get these ones more? Good job, Hank.
Oh, Mom. Oh, so I know what you mean now. You spray them a bunch and then they get plain.
Oh, yeah, and then they should whiten.
Rufus.
I really hope I didn't ruin my Golden Girl shirt.
Mommy,
I hope you didn't either.
I'm done, Mommy.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Okay. I didn't do straight bleach, I did watered down bleach. Hank, will you set these in the sun? And then do you want to do any of these?
Yeah, I'll do that one. No, I'm not.
Can I write my name on the back of one of your shirts?
You want to let me rubber band it for you? No, haven't sprayed it yet. Hank, oh, yep, spray that one.
Penguin.
You like help?
Hi, Mama.
Hey, Papa.
Cannonball.
Okay. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go check our tie-dye.
Yeah.
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 We're so excited.
She did.
Yeah. Your DC one. I just sprinkled bleach on it.
Mom, it says
Isn't that one cool, June?
I
Like,
love.
this one turned out so awesome.
Dude, that's perfect.
Dude,
Look at that one.
it.
Look at that.
Yes.
That is
Dad, Jesse got in my house.
Jessie did this one.
I'll be right back.
That was
She wrote, I love Jessie on it.
kind of good. I like it. I
Yeah.
like it laughing.
He likes it. June, do you want to unwrap yours?
And I want to wrap that one.
And you unwrap that one because
That one.
this one didn't take at all.
No, I didn't. Another one not very good. Pink.
Do you want to unwrap it though?
Rainbow.
Do this one.
I have pink rainbow.
Ooh, that one's
Dude,
cool.
this is sick. I like it. Mommy, yeah, look at this one.
Ooh, you guys. This
Oh.
is my Golden Girls one.
Oh, dude.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
gosh.
It got the old lady's hair.
You should go through and touch up, bleach her whole hair so it's like perfectly
I
white.
should. Dang,
Let
that
me
is.
tell you the story.
Let's hear it.
Earlier when I was trying to get Mom some water.
Oh,
Let me do that one. Isn't that
how?
cool?
What color was this thing?
It was this color and it turned gray, which that's really cool. So it must have,
Dude.
this one got nothing.
This one is
That's stupid.
awesome.
Dude, that one kind of like.
I can clean them.
Oh,
Hey,
Junie,
Dad, I wanna
look at
tell you
Junie's
the
hair.
Look at his-
Story.
Junie, what'd you get?
Daddy, now I need to start the story over.
Carrots.
Carrots. Dad, I need to tell you the
Okay,
story.
what's the story? I'm just kidding.
Carrots. Earlier,
Oh.
when I was
I'll clean them off.
getting some water.
That's so cool. Hank, this one's gonna be so cool. You need to do this one.
Oh, yes. Dad.
1 second.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is cool.
That is sick.
That's so
So sickerish.
Ooh, look at this one.
Ooh, that's cute.
Ooh, Junie's Mariners. Hey.
Cool.
Even
Those
though
are
it
my-
doesn't fit her, so we'll give it to the neighbor.
This one's perfect too.
Molly's sister.
Speaking of Molly, we need to do a picnic with Molly. I miss Molly so much.
Yeah, she's a good girl.
She's a super good girl.
Dude,
Yeah. Great. Now this shirt just looks weird.
Dad,
Just get rid of it, man. That thing ain't doing nobody no favors.
Dad, what's this?
I know you hate this shirt, but it's so soft.
All the pink Victoria's Secret stuff is just garbage. No offense. I've been supportive for what, 15 years?
I'll need your support.
Oh my God, Mom, that picture perfect. No,
You gotta show them your shirt.
look, and June got her
So cool.
shirt. Jessie did that one.
It's right there. Okay, one step down and turn it around. So cool.
I want to do another high five.
Ow, why you hit me like that?
There's no way I shirt, Mommy.
Here. Sit right. Oh, perfect. Here, Hank, you sit there. Sit your butt down. Here, Junie, you
Your
sit,
butt now.
you sit here, because then we can see you the best. Okay.
I like to swing.
You like to swing?
We like to swing and swim. So guess what, guys? Today, after we show you our shirts, we're going to play baseball, eat fruit snacks, and then go swimming. Yeah, and then we love to swim. Yeah, try and guess what our favorite thing is. Slide down the slides. Playing baseball. Yeah, you're right. First try. Cause me and June love playing baseball. We love playing baseball. Do you like to play? It's super fun.
June? Okay.